In last video, we can learn how to read that range and how to read range from the each and every sheet. So today we'll try to learn how to update the data to the Excel file. So for that, you can take as it is this Excel application scope. So let me take Excel application scope and I want to get this path. So I'm taking from this here the path. And after that, I need the read range activity. So I'm taking this read range activity. So here I'm not using the workbook, so that's why I'm going with the read range activity. And my sheet name, I don't know the sheet name, so let me go to this particular folder. Okay, this is the one input. So I'll go with the customer engagement. Okay, not we need to go one now. So this is the one Excel format, XLX format. So I am reading this data from this sheet. Okay, and I will make this variable as what type of variables are there. So CSV data table is there. So let me update this data. And now, so we want to write that range. So for that, we need to take write range activity is there. So write range. So I'm taking this write range. And if I want to add some new sheet, just update the new sheet here. So I will make it as new sheet. Okay. And data table. So what type of data you need to update? So already I have read the data and storing into the one variable CSV data table. So I update the same data CSV data table. Okay, and if you want add this, if you give like this, it's a blank. So it won't. Sometimes it will throw the error, and sometimes it won't throw the error. So make sure that you can give this state A1. Okay, this is done. So let me close this Excel file, and I'm running into step into mode. So now it will open that particular Excel file. Let it open, and it could read that range. Okay, when I go and check, still the new sheet has not created. So once I run this activity, write range activity, it's got created one new sheet. Okay, here header has missing because. So let me show you that as well. So go to this properties and enable this add headers. So once you enable that, you can able to see this headers as well. So this is a way how we can do it the normal things. I mean classic ones. So let me disable these two activities and now we'll go to this modern. Okay, in modern, everything, all the same steps are there. So let me copy this one. I will copy and paste. And so Excel file has been read. In this two, I need one activity which we call read range. Let me put it upside. Okay, here what type of sheet I want to read now? Just go and select which sheet you need. So here also I will go with the engagement sheet one. So error gone disappear. After this write range. So this is modern. So I need to go. Let me check out. So modern is disabled. So just I enabled. So read range is done. Now I need to append range. So write data to the Excel. So this is the activity which we are using. So what to write? So just copy this one. So this is the data I want to write. And destination. Just copy this thing and paste it here. Okay, if we give normally I want new sheet just as of now. So it will throw this error. So because new sheet it is not declared the object. So for that purpose, change this customer engagement to new customer engagement sheet. So let it new customer engagement. Okay, now it will create new sheet and update the data there. Okay, let me run this and the outside I don't want. So I'll just I'm disabling this part. Okay, let me put this on the top or else let it be. So I'm going in this step into mode. So every time I will prefer go to the step into mode because we need to understand first of all where it is moving, what it's exactly doing. So now it's came to that particular Excel process scope and it using that particular Excel file. Okay, it's trying to open that particular Excel file and it's got opened. And you can see this, there is no new customer engagement sheet right now. So I'm going to this technical mode and data has been read. So if you want to check whether it's got really read or not, so you can go on immediate window and you can check. So data it will populate. So if it is populate, then data has been read and it will move to the next activity. Okay, now still the sheet has not declared. Okay, so if you see here, okay, it's came here and it's created. When it done, data has been updated. So you can see here headers also by default it's come. I not go and enable anything headers here. So by default it will take it as a headers. So by default it will take, if you don't want headers you can do that. So vice versa it come working like that. So now it created one new customer engagement sheet and it's got updated the data. So this is our way how we can do in the modern and classic. So still, if you have any doubts on these topics, so please post a comment in the comment section. We'll try to do videos on this. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.